Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Sankhe. I am student of a SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am presenting the PPT of a types of a research. Introduction of a research. The word research is a composed of a two syllables, re and search. The dictionary define re meaning again and search meaning to examine closely and carefully, to test and try or to probe. Together they form a noun describing a careful, systematic patient study and investigation in some field of a knowledge undertaken to establish facts or principles. Definition of a research. According to Robert Ross, research is the essential an investigation, a recording and an analysis of evidence for the purpose of gaining knowledge. It can generally be defined as a systematic method of finding solutions to problems. Importance of a research. Research expands your knowledge base. Research gives you the latest information. Research introduces you to new ideas. Research helps in a problem solving, helps in a solving various operational and planning problems of a business. It is helpful, it is useful to students, professional, philosopher, literally man, analysis and intellectuals. Types of a research. There are 8 types of a research. The first is a basic research, second applied research, third quantitative research, fourth qualitative research, fifth descriptive research, sixth exploratory research, seventh historical research, eighth experimental research. The first is a basic research. It is also known as a pure of a fundamental research. The research mainly conduct to increase knowledge base. It is driven purely by interest and a desire to expand our knowledge. This type of research tends not to be directly application to the real world in a direct way, but enhance your understanding of the world around us. Pure research can be exploratory, descriptive, or explanatory. Basic research generates new ideas, principles, and theories identifying fields. Basic research concentrates on a fundamental principles and testing theories. The second is the applied research. Applied research is mainly related with the solving practical problem rather than focusing on a knowledge experience expansions. It is mainly used to find solutions to programs which is occur on a daily basis and develop new innovative technologies. The main aim of applied research is to provide better technologies for a human to enhance their standard of a living. Example, investigating which treatment approach is the most effective for treating cancer patients, where researching which strategies work best to motivate workers. The third is a quantitative research. Quantitative research is generally related with the positive concept. It usually involves collecting and converting data into numerical form so that statistical calculation can be made and a conclusion down. Objectively is a very vital in a quantitative research. Therefore, researchers try to avoid their own presence, behavior, or attitude affecting the result. They also examine the methods and result for any possible bias. The aim of a quantitative research is to develop mathematically models, theories related to phenomenon. Quantitative research is mainly used in a social science. The fourth is a qualitative research. Qualitative research approach usually related with the social constructivity concept, which emphasizes the socially constructed nature of a reality. It is about recording, analyzing, and attempting to reveal the depth, meaning, and significance of a human behavior and experience, including conflicting belief, behavior, and emotions. The qualitative method tries to answer why and how to decision making rather than what and when. The approach is to data collection and analysis is a logical but allow for a greater flexibility than the quantitative research. Data is collected in a textual form on the basis of a observation and a communication with the participant. Example: through participant observation in a depth interviews and focus group. It is not converted into numerical form and it is not statically analyzed. The fifth is a descriptive research. Descriptive research is used to describe characteristics of an observable fact being studied. Descriptive studies are structured in such a way that it cannot be changed frequently, so it can be said that they are rigged in nature. They cannot identify cause and effect relationship between variables. Descriptive research answers questions such as who, when, where, what, and how. The purpose of a descriptive research is to observe, describe, and document. The sixth is the exploratory research. Exploratory research is carried out for a problem that has not been clearly defined. The main aim of the research is to gather initial information which helps to define problem and recommend hypotheses. Exploratory research helps to settle on the best research design, data collection, methods and selection of subjects. Exploratory research can mainly be conducted when research lack clear idea of the problem. The result of exploratory research are not generally useful for a decision making, but they cannot prove major insight into a given situation. The seventh is a historical research. It is defined as the type of a research that examines past event or a combinations of a event to arrive at an account of what has happened in the past. Historical research is carried out to discover the unknown, answer question, recognize the relationship that the past has to present, record and assess activities of individual agencies or a situation, and assist in understanding the culture in which we live. Historical research involves the process of collecting and reading the research material collected and writing the document from the data collected. The seventh is experimental research. It is commonly used in a science such as sociology and physiology, physics, chemistry, biology, medicine, etc. It is a collection of a research design, use, manipulation and control testing to understand fundamental process. Experimental research is mainly used when there is a time priority in a causal relationship, or 3 is uniformly in a causal relationship, or the magnitude of the correlation is great. Experimental research important to society as it helps us to improve our daily lives. The PPT is finished. Thank you.